Right guys, welcome back to a brand new video here at VRS. Today we are fitting the Bilstein EVO S suspension kit onto my own MK7 Golf R that's stage 3 running about 500 brake horsepower. Essentially, this suspension has already been trialled on an S3, actually the S3 on the lift up there. So it's a development kit. It's been used but very minimally, so that's why it doesn't look completely brand new, but it is new. It's a new suspension kit. I'm gonna fit it on my Golf R, can't wait. I've had stock suspension since I've had the car, so I very much look forward to seeing how this performs and how it changes the handling, hopefully for the better, which I'm sure it will. Very, very exciting. So without further ado, let's crack on rather with the process and showcase how this thing is done. So whilst my car's having the suspension fitted, Connor very kindly offered to do an oil service as well. So that's what I love about this place, is that they take immense pride and care with their customers' vehicles. So sort of killing two birds with one stone. And I just realised I'm stood next to one of my favourite cars ever. You would have seen this in the VRS intro video, the Audi Quattro Group B style rally car. Oh, what an immense thing, what an immense thing. Right, so it's officially out with the old and about to be in with the new. Don't know if you guys can hear me. That is the sound of an Audi Cabriolet on the dyno. So we're actually gonna shoot. I'm gonna go outside. What I was trying to say was we're actually gonna shoot that Audi Cabriolet that's on the dyno right now for our next video. So that, hopefully, if I can tease the numbers, should be pushing around anywhere between 550 and 600 bhp. That's what we're hoping for. It's a new sort of system that we're doing, so we don't know, but that's what we're aiming for. Anyway, the old suspension is out and we're about to install the Bilstein EVO S suspension. Connor was saying behind the scenes that it's quite funny because he knew the camera was on him, and trying to make suspension work look pretty is really hard. So obviously that suspension has been in since the car was manufactured, so it's really stiff and you sort of just have to use brute force and beat the shit out of it basically to get it out. So he was trying to make it look pretty at the same time. So, you don't need to worry, but Bilsteins are about to go in. Let's showcase some of that, and yeah, very excited to say the least, as you can probably tell. I'm very excited about this. Right guys, the Bilstein EVO S suspension is officially fitted to my MK7 Golf R. It looks amazing. I'm told that it's been set to the sort of ideal ride height essentially for the suspension. It is an adjustable setup, but at its ideal height, it is lower than a stock suspension. So fitment already looks a lot nicer than it did. So I'm happy, cannot wait to test it out. Absolutely incredibly excited, to say the least. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash the like button. Leave a comment in the comment section down below as well. Let us know what you'd like to see next. And yeah, just let us know your thoughts on the video as well. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have notifications turned on. And aside from that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Take care. Peace.